Hello guys, today I'm here with a new video of vocabulary for IELTS series. In this video, we will cover most common English words with synonyms and antonyms. And this is part 2. Let's get started. Adulteration, bhejal. Synonyms: pollution, corruption, contamination, contagion, pitfall, infectivity, shortcoming. Antonyms: purification, refining. Abdicate, পরিত্যাগ করা. Synonyms: relinquish, resign, give up, abandon, renounce, desert. Antonyms: poses, admit, include, accept. Abide, অপেক্ষা করা বা মেনে চলা. Synonyms: accept, stay, dwell, live in, put up with, bear, take, stand for, tolerate. Antonyms: obstinate, disagree. Abduct, অপহরণ করা. Synonyms: kidnap, steal, siege, snatch, abduct, capture, hijack. Antonyms: lay down, install, release. Abstract, বিমূর্ত. Synonyms: theoretical, hypothetical, intangible, conceptual, notional, metaphysical. Antonyms: concrete, realistic, practical, figurative. Aberration, বিপথগমন. Synonyms: deviation, distortion, glitch, abnormality, eccentricity, anomaly. Antonyms: sanity, truth, normality. Avail, সক্ষম. Synonyms: capable, proficient, competent, clever, talented. Antonyms: unable. Aid, সাহায্য করা. Synonyms: aid, assist, encourage, support, help, back up, facilitate. Antonyms: hinder, hold up, bar. Abhor, অত্যন্ত ঘৃণা করা. Synonyms: abominate, loathe, dislike, despise, detest, odium, hate. Antonyms: adore, love, ardor. Abolish, লোপ করা বা রহিত করা. Synonyms: annul, eradicate, get rid of, eliminate, cancel, remove. Antonyms: produce, fabricate. Abominate, ঘৃণা করা বা অপছন্দ করা. Synonyms: detest, abhor, dislike, despise, loathe, revulsion, odium, hate. Antonyms: like, relish, adore. Accumulate, জড়ো হওয়া বা জড়ো করা. Synonyms: gather, come together, amass, assemble, mount up, unite, hoard, accrue, multiply. Antonyms: scatter, squander, disperse, disseminate. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video is gonna be very helpful for you. I'll see you in the next video.